Audi's voice recognition system offers you the safety and convenience of using your phone and infotainment system while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. When using voice recognition, always speak clearly. 3 microphones are embedded into the seat belt and look like small buttons. When retracted, they are not effective. To use voice recognition, press the talk button on the right side of the steering wheel. It's important to wait for the confirmation tone before saying any of the commands. You can then speak any of the commands shown in the MMI. Global commands include enter address, call, enter number, redial, and others. The full list of commands can be found in the owner's manual. You can also get a list of available commands within a specific function by saying help, then the function, such as help telephone. Let's look at the most common voice recognition scenario, making a phone call. After pressing the talk button and waiting for the tone, simply say call and the name from the directory.
Call John Smith.
It's important to say the name exactly as it appears in your directory, both first and last names. If there are multiple numbers for a contact, add home or cell on the end of the command. Otherwise, the system will ask which number you want to call.
Call John Smith's cell.
The system will repeat the call command and verify that you want to call the number.
Should I call John Smith's cell phone number?
Respond with one of the commands shown.
Yes.
I am calling the cell phone number.
If you wish to cancel any voice recognition command, press the talk button on the steering wheel or say cancel after the tone, or press any function button.
Cancel.
To get the best performance from the voice recognition system, always wait for the tone and then speak plainly and clearly using your normal voice. Reduce any excess cabin noise by closing the windows, adjusting fan speed to low or off, and pointing the air vents down. And remember that help with specific features is always available by saying help. If you're a regular user of smartphone personal assistants like Siri Eyes Free or Google Now, you know how convenient they can be. Your new Audi lets you access your smartphone's personal assistant through your onboard microphone and audio system speakers. First, pair a Bluetooth-compatible device to the system. Once this connection is established, using the voice recognition feature is no different than using it on the smartphone, with the benefit of the higher audio quality of the vehicle's mic and speakers. To access the personal assistant, simply press and hold the talk button for approximately 2 seconds until you receive a response tone. Then speak your command.
What's the weather forecast for tomorrow?
While the on-screen message reads External Speech Dialogue System, you can simply press the talk button or select Resume to reactivate the listening feature.
What was the score of the Detroit Tigers game last night?
With your smartphone's personal assistant, you can use the Audi Bluetooth system to make calls, get answers to questions, and send requests to an assortment of web services. The convenience of using voice recognition to access these functions via Bluetooth provides you with another feature to help you enjoy your Audi even more.